Hello everyone, welcome ulit sa TowerPH TV. So we're into another mail day and medyo malaki uli yung box na nakuha natin. So kung ano laman ito guys, let's check it out. What we have here are the NBA trading cards na nakuha natin guys from Southies Box Break. So big shoutout sa kasama natin dyan si Jude Maaba. Little bit of a side story guys, nakakatawa kasi while doing some of these breaks, he is also running a grill house or restaurant in Sta.Rosa Laguna, and yun, nag-o-offer sila ng unlimited Korean samgyup at 199 pesos. So while I'm opening this one, let me show you a bit of a tour sa kanyang restaurant guys, and makikita nyo rin doon kung saan niya kinoconduct yung box break. So check it out. So yun guys, ang name ng restaurant ni Jude is K-BBQ Grill and Restaurant. So it's located in B3L1 Molave Street, Progressive Village, Barangay Tagapo, Sta.Rosa Laguna. And meron silang ino-offer ngayon yung unlimited na 199 na samgyup. So yung mga friends natin na mukbangers, if you want to try it, lalo na dyan sa area ng Sta.Rosa Laguna, yan, please visit our friends restaurant at K-BBQ Grill and Restaurant. And yan din yung Facebook page nila, what I'm showing you sa background. Medyo marami to guys, kaya inopen na natin isa-isa. So let's start with the Chronicles. We got si Portland and LA Clippers. Ito yata yung pre niya, yung birthday break. So we got si Damian Lillard na Chronicles and si Kawhi Leonard na pink na Panini. So yun, yung nakuha natin dun sa break na yun, yung pre-break ni Jude. So this one we got si Atlanta, ano naman to, Mosaic. So for the base, for the Mosaic cards, we got si Bogdanovic. We got the DeAndre Hunter na green. Gusto ko talaga yung MLK na uniform nila, the black. And we got a Trae Young na base card. Then we have something here sa paper. I think these are freebies. No? We have Patty Mills na NBA hoops, Terry Rozier na unang tingin ko kala ko si Ray Allen. We got a Joel Embiid na absolute. We got a Norman Powell na nagbuta ko lang yung tawag dito sa optic na to, flash yata to, purple flash or something. So please nasa comment section below kung ano uli yung tawag dito guys. Then we got a TJ Warren na also an optic, and Jonas Valanciunas na NBA hoops, and a rookie card prestige ni Facundo Campaso from the Nuggets, and another Trae Young na base card. Yan, second set ng cards natin. For the third set, another Mosaic. This time nakuha natin Phoenix. So fearless forecast natin, magcha-champion ng Phoenix this year. Sana lang wag magkaroon ng injuries. So we have Michael Bridges, Campaign. We have Jalen Smith. I think Jalen Smith nasa Indiana Pacers na ngayon. Another Jalen Smith na rookie card. DeAndre Ayton. We got Cameron Johnson na medyo maganda nilalaro for Phoenix. Another Cam Johnson. And we got an all-time greats na green. Si Sir Charles Barkley. So for our next set of cards, this one NBA hoops, yung bago. We got Luka Doncic na base card. We got Dorian Finney-Smith, Christopher Porzingis na nasa Washington Wizards na. We got Reggie Bullock and we got Tim Hardaway Jr. I think may nakuha akong insert dito pero favorite kasi ni personal collection kasi ni Jude si Luka Doncic. So sa Luka iniwan ko sa kanya, binigay ko sa kanya yung hit doon sa break na yon. This one we got yung New York Knicks, another hoops box. We got si Evan Fournier, Mitchell Robinson, we got Kemba Walker Jr., Emmanuel Quickley na second year, third year na RJ Barrett. For our rookies, we got Miles McBride, Quentin Grimes, we got Julius Randle na base card, and we got Julius Randle na blue. We got Obi Toppin na base card, and Quentin Grimes na class of 2021. Lagay natin si Quentin Grimes. For our next set, this one naman is Chronicles. Medyo marami-rami to. We got Cleveland. And meron pala tayo Chicago. So we got Zach LaVine. This is a pink Chronicles. It's actually an insert. We got Nikola Vucevic, base card ni Zach LaVine. We have Marquee na Isaac Okoro, Chronicles ni Colin Sexton, Isaac Okoro na Prestige, another Isaac Okoro na Marquee. We got a Threads na Isaac Okoro. And we got a Patrick Williams na Prestige. Another Patrick Williams na Rookies and Stars. We got a pink Patrick Williams. And yung isa sa PC natin, kinukulit natin, Isaac Okoro na pink na Essentials. Ayan. So, pandagdag sa PC natin to. And for our last pack or last set of cards, we got naman si Utah Jazz. So we got a Rudy Gay, we got a Rudy Gobert, Royce O'Neal, Joe Ingles, and ang ating paborito si Jordan Clarkson, ang ating kababayan, and Bojan Bogdanovic. And we got a bronze or insert na Donovan Mitchell. So ito guys yung mga nakuha nating NBA trading cards from Southies Box Break. Again, big shoutout sa ating kasama dyan na si Jude, Christian Maaba, and sa mga kasama natin dyan sa group ng Southies Box Break. And also don't forget to check out yung kanilang K-BBQ 199 dyan sa Sta.Rosa Laguna. Before we go guys, I would like to give a big welcome dun sa ating pinakabagong member sa TowerPH group, si Jan RT Vlog, a good friend natin from Cebu. So she is into aesthetic videos, and she focuses more on, yung mga video niya is more on sa kanyang daily routines, daily life. She's also doing some unboxing, and of course, yung ating paborito yung mga videos niya about Mimi, her wonderful and loving baby. So, yun guys, check out ang ating bagong member na si Jan RT Vlog. So that's it for our video guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to click like kung nag-enjoy kayo, and please share na rin sa mga kaibigan natin na nagko-collect ng NBA trading cards. Yun, again, big shoutout kay Jude Maaba, and also I would like to give a big shoutout sa ating mga friends na mukbangers, SM artists, content creators, vloggers, gamers, action figure collectors, and of course yung mga NBA trading card collectors. Also, I would like to give a big shoutout sa ating mga members na sina Hampas Lupang Burgis, Mr. and Mrs. Cruz, CBF Angel Mendoza in Seoul, Taste and Sip by Tesha, and yung ating bago member na si Jan RT Vlog. So guys, please do subscribe and support yung ating mga members, and also please continue to support yung mga Filipino content creators. So that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this, and sa mga hindi pa po nakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe to our channel, TowerPH TV, a channel that's more on collections and investment. So again guys, this is Albert Remo from TowerPH TV. See you sa ating mga susunod pang mga videos.